Hello everyone, this is Russian letter P. The uppercase letter P. The lowercase letter P. Transcription. Please watch the writing. Try writing this letter by yourself. If you enjoyed the video or the video helped you, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for learning with me, your Russian language coach Vita, and see you